Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and hi everyone. Let us discuss the power rule. Suppose that we have question in terms of y, which is equals to a function of f, and everything is being powered by n. And the way how should we differentiate this is by bring down the power. Okay, so write back the function whatever inside the bracket, and then the power will be minus by 1 and multiply with the differentiation of whatever inside the bracket. Okay, let us discuss the example first. So the first one, let's say we have y equals to 3x squared plus 2 to the power of 4. So by using the formula, basically we can write dy dx, or you can write as y prime. So it's just we bring down the power 4. So write back the whatever inside the bracket is, and we should minus the power by 1, so which give us 3, and multiply with the differentiation of whatever inside the bracket. So which is we have 6x here. Okay, and simplifying the final answer should give us 24x times with 3x squared plus 2 to the power of 3. All right, so let us discuss the second example. Let's say we have fx here, which is equals to 5x minus 3 to the power of negative 7. So by using this formula, so we can actually differentiate this in a short way. So we have f prime x, okay, so it's equals to bring down the power. So write down whatever inside the bracket is. So the power will be deducted by 1. So negative 7, you take away 1 should give you negative 8. And times with the differentiation of whatever inside the bracket is. Okay, so it is differentiate this bit here, 5x minus 3 should give you 5 only. All right, and then eventually the final answer should be negative 35 over 5x minus 3 to the power of positive 8. Right, so next example, suppose that we have y equals to square root of x squared plus 4. And we know that square root is actually equals to the power of 1 over 2 here. Okay, so our y prime or dy dx is just we need to bring down the power. Okay, and then write down whatever inside the bracket is, and the power will be minus by 1, which should give us negative 1 over 2, and times with the differentiation of whatever inside the bracket is. So differentiate x squared plus 4 here should give us 2x. Okay, and then what else? So we should simplify this a little bit. So this 2 and 2 can be cancelled out. So which left us with x only. So over x squared plus 4 to the power of 1 over 2. Or we can write the final answer as x over square root of x squared plus 4. Alright, the last example for this formula, I'm going to make this a little bit to the left side here. So let's say we have fx is equals to x cubed minus 3 over 2x minus 3. Everything is being to the power of 5. Okay, so this function here is actually from the previous example of quotient rule. So we are going to use straight away the derivative. Okay, but to differentiate fx by using this formula, so we just need to bring down the power. Okay, so let us write f prime here. So bring down the power and then write back whatever inside the bracket is. So we have 2x minus 3 here, this one, and then the power now become 4, and we should multiply with the differentiation of this one inside the bracket. Okay, so we should differentiate this by using quotient rule. Okay, but since we just used the previous example, so I just take the derivative of it straight away. So which is we have 4x cubed minus 9x squared plus 6 over 2x minus 3 square here. Okay, so let us simplify a little bit. So it should be 5 x cubed minus 3 to the power of 4 over 2x minus 3 to the power of 4. I just want to distribute the power of 4 first, and then we will copy back everything. Okay, so we've got this one, so over with 2x minus 3 squared. All right, and then last but not least, the final answer should be 5 x cubed minus 3 to the power of 4 times with 4x cubed minus 9x squared plus 6 over we have 2x minus 3 to the power of 6, okay, as the denominator being multiplied. Okay, so that's all for the time being. So we will continue with the second derivative in our next video. That's all. Thank you.